Advanced Exfoliating Scrub, Mattifying Moisturizer, Purifying Cleansers. How do I use all of this and in what order? I'm glad you asked because I'm gonna break it down for you. So what's up everybody? If this is the first time we're meeting, I'm Mike, this is Bald and Strong, where being bald is a lifestyle and I wanna help you make the most of it. So about 2 weeks ago, I did a unveiling sort of unboxing video for a Gen 2 and their wet shaving kit. Some of you may have already picked up this kit and some of you might be a little overwhelmed about everything that's in this kit and how to use it. Never fear, Mike is here. Let's start with why we should use these products, and I'm gonna list these products in the order you should use them. The Purifying Cleanser. We need to have clean skin if we're gonna ever rock a bald head, right? And sometimes we need a little more help than our standard soap and water can provide us. And that's where this cleanser comes in. Thanks to the all-natural ingredients, things like oil, toxins, grime will be no more. Even if you have the best skincare routine in the world, you're still gonna get dead skin cells. And this dead skin is something else that's gonna clog up your pores. Thankfully, we have this Microdermal Exfoliating Scrub from Gen 2. This feels like smooth beach sand also. Thanks with this Microdermal Exfoliating Scrub, some shea butter, avocado oil, all that clogged pores and dead skin cells inside those clogged pores are out of here. With all that dead skin cells out of here, we can start ushering in the fresh, new, clean, healthy skin. The Premium Shave Lather. Out of all the products in this kit, I feel like this is the one that needs the least amount of explanation. I'm hoping. But it's worth noting that this all-natural product has some jojoba oil and avocado oil in it also. You may have heard me say avocado oil more than once, and you're probably going to hear me say it again, and that's not by accident. Avocado oil actually has a lot of good properties for healthy skin. Aftershave Balm. You may not realize, or maybe you do, but we tend to forget that every time we shave, we actually remove a layer of skin. And this causes a little bit of damage, so we need to heal that skin. And yes, this applies to you electric shavers also. Luckily for us, things like organic aloe vera and witch hazel and other oils in the PostShave Balm helps out with that. Weightless Moisturizer SPF 25. The last thing we want to do is nullify all of our efforts here with an amazing bald head with a sunburn. I mean, ouch. The last place we want to sunburn is on our head. And it's not just sunburns that are a problem. We can get permanent damage to our skin or even possibly skin cancer. Luckily for us, Gen 2 had that in mind and created this weightless moisturizer that also is SPF 25. We should really apply this every time we leave the house and we're gonna be out in the sun. Or even not out in the sun, because some would argue that even though the sun's not shining and we have a lot of overcast, that could actually do more damage as far as sunburn and skin damage because out of sight, out of mind, right? We don't have the sun beaming on us, so we don't think too much about it. And that's where a lot of problems kick in. That's how you can get a sunburn actually easier than you realize. Mattifying moisturizer. But Mike, you just said weightless moisturizer, and now you're saying a mattifying moisturizer. Why 2 moisturizers in a row? I'm glad you asked that. Simply put, we have the weightless moisturizer in the morning if we're gonna be out in the sun. The mattifying moisturizer we wanna use before bed each time. Or if we're not gonna be out in the sun, we wanna use it in the morning. So the mattifying moisturizer we can use twice a day, but always in the PM. And we wanna use this after every cleanse. This stuff has organic aloe vera and some lavender in it to help soothe, moisturize, and keep that skin looking healthy and that bald head looking awesome. Now that I gave you the why and what's in this stuff, let's talk about the when to use it. And to do this, I need to ask one question. That is, how often do you shave? Is it daily? Is it every other day? Is it 3 times a week? Is it once a month? I'm kidding on the once a month. We should really be shaving our head at least 3 times a week. Now, if you're a wet head shaver, I offer a word of caution when shaving your head every day. Why? The skin needs to heal. I shave my head every other day, sometimes back to back, but that's only if I have a special occasion to go to. But we really should be giving our skin some time to heal, especially on our head. So I really don't recommend doing daily for any prolonged period of time. Even with all of these organic and natural ingredients and things that help keep it healthy, it still needs time to heal. While I like a perfectly smooth, fresh, clean shaven head, and I know you do too, and it feels awesome, it's amazing, but let's think long term. We want to keep it healthy, and we want to keep something that we can maintain. Now, you electric shavers out there, it's not so bad if you shave your head daily. The blades aren't really coming into contact as much and as hard as wet shavers. Guys, rocking an awesome bald head is a privilege that few get to experience. So, are you currently one of them? Or are you currently looking to be one of them? Do you want to learn more about being bald and making the most out of this lifestyle? Then please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of my future content. Thank you guys so much, and until the next time.